AI Career Guidelines in 2026. In 2026, artificial intelligence is no longer a future trend. It is the present reality shaping every industry: software, healthcare, finance, education, and even creative fields. If you are thinking about building a career in AI, this is the most important time to start. But here's the truth most people don't realize. AI careers are not just about learning machine learning models or using tools like ChatGPT. The real opportunity lies in combining AI with strong foundational skills and choosing the right specialization. Let's break this down step by step. First, understand what AI careers actually mean today. In 2026, AI is not a single role. It is an ecosystem of roles. You have AI engineers who build intelligent systems, machine learning engineers who design and train models, data engineers who build data pipelines that feed AI systems, generative AI engineers who work with LLMs and prompt engineering, and software developers who integrate AI into applications. So the first decision you need to make is not, "I want to learn AI." The real question is, which AI role fits you best? If you enjoy coding and system design, AI engineering or data engineering is the right path. If you enjoy math, statistics, and models, then machine learning is a better fit. If you enjoy working with tools, APIs, and automation, then generative AI roles are growing extremely fast. Now let's talk about the most important foundation. Every successful AI career starts with two core skills: programming and data. Python is the most important programming language in AI today. It is used for machine learning, data processing, and AI model integration. At the same time, SQL is equally important. Without understanding data, you cannot build meaningful AI systems. So if you are a beginner, start here. Learn Python, learn SQL, understand how data flows. Once your foundation is strong, the next step is choosing your learning path. There are three major AI career paths in 2026. The first is Data plus AI. This includes roles like data engineer and AI data engineer. You will work with big data tools, pipelines, and platforms like Databricks. This path is highly in demand because every AI system depends on clean and structured data. The second path is machine learning. This focuses on building models, training algorithms, and working with frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. This path requires strong mathematics and deeper technical understanding. The third path is generative AI. This is the fastest growing field right now. It includes working with LLMs, prompt engineering, AI agents, and automation workflows. This path is more practical and tool-driven, making it easier for developers to transition into AI roles. Now here's something very important. Do not try to learn everything at once. One of the biggest mistakes people make is jumping between AI, cloud, data science, and tools without a clear direction. Instead, follow a structured roadmap. Start with fundamentals, then specialize, then build projects. Projects are critical. In 2026, certifications alone are not enough. You need to show real-world work. Build a chatbot, create a data pipeline, develop an AI-powered application. These projects prove your skills better than any resume. Now let's talk about certifications. Certifications are not mandatory, but they give you a structured path and help you stand out. For example, cloud certifications help you understand how AI systems are deployed. Databricks certifications help you work with modern data pipelines. Python certifications validate your programming skills. And generative AI certifications help you understand modern AI workflows. The key is to choose certifications that align with your career path. Not just random certifications. Now let's address the biggest question. Will AI replace developers? The answer is no. AI will not replace developers. But developers who use AI will replace those who don't. This is the reality in 2026. AI is a tool, and those who learn to use it effectively will move ahead faster. Another important aspect is continuous learning. AI is evolving rapidly. New models, tools, and frameworks are released every few months, so you cannot rely on one-time learning. You need to keep updating your skills. Follow industry trends. Experiment with new tools. Stay curious. Finally, let's talk about career strategy. Do not chase hype. Instead, build depth. Choose one path, master it, then expand. For example, you can start as a data engineer and then move into AI pipelines. Or start as a developer and transition into generative AI. The strongest professionals in 2026 are hybrid experts. They combine programming, data, and AI. That is where the real opportunities are. To summarize, start with Python and SQL. Choose a clear AI path. Focus on projects. Use certifications strategically. Keep learning continuously. If you follow this approach, you won't just learn AI. You will build a strong, future-proof career. And in a world driven by AI, that is the biggest advantage you can have.